Good morning everyone. Welcome in EVS class. Student, in today's class we will discuss our topic times, book exercise, complete the following and questions. So firstly we discuss the summary of the chapter. See beta, in this chapter we got the knowledge about the time. As we know, sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. And what is day? Time between the sunrises and sunset is called a day. And beta, what is night? Time between sunsets and sunrise is called a night. And day and night make together a complete day. After that we got the knowledge about the clock. Student, as we know, clock has three hands: longer hand, mint hand, smaller hand, R hand, and third one hand is second hand. Okay, and after that we knew about the parts of the day. There are mainly three parts of the day: first morning, then afternoon, and then evening. And afternoon is 12, noon या midday means 12 o'clock, and afternoon या midday it's called afternoon. In morning we use AM and in the evening we use PM. Midnight 12 o'clock to in day 12 noon, the timing is AM, and 12 noon and to 12 midnight it's PM. यानी रात के 12 बजे से लेके दोपहर के 12 बजे तक का टाइम आपका AM और दोपहर के 12 बजे से लेके और रात के 12 बजे तक का टाइम आपका PM होता है. ओके, after that we know the knowledge about the calendar. Student, the calendar tells us about the day, dates and months. As we know, in year how many days? 365. And in a leap year there are 366 days, because in leap year February has 29 days. Okay, so this is the summary of the chapter, students. So let's start today's topic. Firstly we are doing book exercise. Okay, so student, take out page number 27. A is a put a tick or on the correct option. First, sun rises in the evening, night or morning. बेटा sun कब उगता है? Morning में, night में या evening में? Yes, what's the answer? Morning. So write book exercise. First, C is the correct answer, morning. Now students, second question, see beta. There are dash weeks in a year. Yes, tell me how many weeks in a 1 year? 52 weeks are there. Okay, so what's the correct answer? Second, B option is correct, 52 weeks. Okay, now third is name the months with first 31 days. Beta, here we have to write the month's name, those have 31 days. Okay, there are total 7 months, those have 31 days. So write their name, see, 31 days. Here we write the month's name. See, first January, 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 March, then May, then July, then August. After that, students, October, and last one is December. Okay, there are how many months total? 7 months. There are total 7 months, those have 31 days. Now 30 days, we have to write here the month's name, those have 30 days. So see beta, 30 days. First is April, then June, then September, and after that beta November. So these are the total 4 months. How many months? 4 months. So total months हो गए आपके 7 और 4 11 and 1 February has 28 और 29 days. Okay. Now let's the next exercise. देखिए complete the following. Now beta C exercise, complete the following. Beta C, first is 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? बताइए 1 hour में कितनी minutes होती है बेटा? How many minutes in a 1 hour? 60 minutes. Okay, how many? 60. MINUTES minutes. Now second is 1 week is equal to how many days? 1 week is equal to how many days? 1 week में कितने days होते हैं? Monday to Sunday 7 days. Now third day in February in leap year. बेटा फरवरी में जो लीप ईयर है उसमें फरवरी में कितने दिन होते हैं? इन अ लीप ईयर फरवरी हैज़ हाउ मेनी डेज? 29 days. That's why in a leap year total days is 366 days. Yes beta, what I told you, in a leap year how many days? Total days 336. So in a leap year February has 29 days. How many days? 29 days. Write down here 29 days. Now in the last year 4 1 year is equal to how many months? In a year how many months is there? 12 months. Okay, January to December. January to December is total 12 months. So how many months? 12 months. Okay students, so this is the complete the following. So next exercise, activity time. A. See beta, activity time. A exercise, name the following month by unjumble the letters. बेटा देखिए इनको लेटर्स को अनजम्बल करके हमें मंथ्स नेम बताना है. फर्स्ट इज मंथ ऑफ रिपब्लिक डे. बताइए इन विच मंथ इज रिपब्लिक डे? जनवरी. इन विच मंथ बेटा? जनवरी. सो फर्स्ट रिपब्लिक डे इन विच मंथ इज रिपब्लिक डे स्टूडेंट? जनवरी. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ जनवरी? JANUARY. January. Now second, month in which Christmas comes. क्रिसमस जो होता है वो कौन से मंथ में आता है बताइए? क्रिसमस हम कौन से मंथ में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं बेटा? दिसंबर. ऑन विच डेट? 25th दिसंबर. ओके. सो सेकेंड इज क्रिसमस. Christmas Day we celebrate in December month. DECEMBER. December. Now third, month in which summer vacation begins. आपकी समर वेकेशन कब से शुरू होती है? किस मंथ में शुरू होती है बताइए? मई. समर वेकेशंस कब से शुरू होती हैं आपकी? May. 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 Now fourth month in which Teachers Day comes. Teachers Day कौन से मंथ में आता है बेटा? September. On which date? 5th September. Okay. So Teachers Day in which month come? September. 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 Okay. And now fifth is month in your birthday. बेटा here you have to write your birthday month कि in which month you born. आप किस मंथ में पैदा हुए थे, आपको उस मंथ का नाम लिखना है. Okay. तो you have to do this yourself. Fifth one, in which month is your birthday. Okay. So dear kids, these are the book exercise You will be do this all book exercise in your book. And now we'll discuss complete the following, our next exercise. Now see beta, next our notebook exercise complete the following. देखिए फर्स्ट 1 century. बेटा 1 century is equal to how many years? इन 1 century कितने years होते हैं इन 1 century में बताइए? 100 years. How many years? 100 years. क्योंकि बेटा देखिए 1 जो century होती है उसमें होते हैं 10 decades and 1 decades is equal to 10 years. So 1 century is equal to 100 years. क्या बताया मैंने? आप देखिए यहाँ पर एक बारी साइड में देखिए 1 century is equal to होता है आपका 10 decades and 1 decades होता है आपका 10 years. तो 1 जो सेंचुरी होगा बेटा वो हो जाएगा आपका 100 years. ये इसका टोटल होता है. दोबारा देखिए 1 century is equal to 10 decades और 1 decades में होता है आपका 10 years. तो 1 century में कितने बन जाएंगे? 100 years. यानी 10 multiply 10 is equal to 100. Okay. So now let's see. Come back here. 1 century is equal to how many years? 100 years. Now second, in a 1 year how many days? In a normal 1 year is equal to how many days? 365 days. Now in a leap year. In a leap year how many days is there beta? 366. Because in a leap year February has 29 days and in a normal year February has 28 days. So here 365 days and in a leap year total days are 366. Okay. Now in a year total months. In a year total months is there 12. Which are the 12 months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now in a year how many? Yes beta, in a year how many weeks? Total weeks is there in a 1 year how many weeks is there? 52. आपके 1 year में कितने weeks होते हैं टोटल? 52. Now in a 1 week how many days is there beta? 7 days. Which are the 7 days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Now next is 7 number देखिए. See beta, in a 1 day how many hours is total? Yes, 24 hours. कितने होते हैं total hours? 24. Now next in a 1 hour how many minutes? In a 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Total minutes कितनी होती है? 60. Now in a 1 minute how many seconds? Same. In a 1 hour 60 minutes and in a 1 minute 60 seconds. Okay. And in a 1 hour how many seconds? अब आपको बताना है 1 hour में कितनी सेकेंड्स होती हैं. तो आप कैसे करेंगे? कितनी होती है? पहले तो 3600 यानी 3600. 3600. There are total seconds in a 1 hour. आपने 60 को 60 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. Then we got the 3600 seconds total in a 1 hour. So dear kids, these are the complete the following. You will be learn these and write in your notebook. Now let's discuss the question answer of this. Now there are we discuss question answer. See beta, there are total 4 question answer. First question is what's the time is called a day? कौन सा टाइम जो है वो डे कहलाता है? बताइए. आई टोल्ड यू बेटा द टाइम बिटवीन सनराइज एंड सनसेट इज कॉल्ड अ डे. सुबह सूरज उगने से लेके और सूरज छिपने के बीच का जो टाइम होता है वो क्या कहलाता है बेटा? डे कहलाता है, यानी दिन कहलाता है. सो लेट्स सी द आंसर. द टाइम बिटवीन द सनराइज एंड सनसेट इज कॉल्ड अ day. What's the answer? The time between the sunrise and sunset is called a day. और आप मुझे बताइए नाइट को क्या बोला था? What is night? The time between the sunset and the sunrise is called a night. यानी रात के छिपने से लेके और सुबह सूरज छिपने से लेके और सुबह सूरज उगने तक का जो टाइम होता है वो क्या कहलाता है हमारा, रात यानी नाइट. नाउ आंसर, सॉरी, क्वेश्चन सेकेंड इज नेम द हैंड्स ऑफ अ क्लॉक. बेटा आई टोल्ड यू देयर आर मेनली 3 हैंड्स इन अ क्लॉक which are, see, first R hand, HOURHAND, R hand. Second mint hand, MINUTE, mint hand. And third one is second hand, SECOND, second hand. Okay, there are total 3 hands, R hand, mint hand and second hand. Now question third is name the parts of the day. बेटा here we have to tell which are the parts of the day. एक जो पूरा दिन होता है, कंप्लीट डे होता है, उसके कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं बताइए, कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं, टोटल 3 पार्ट्स. ओके, मॉर्निंग, आफ्टरनून एंड इवनिंग. सी, फर्स्ट मॉर्निंग, MORNING, मॉर्निंग, फर्स्ट इज मॉर्निंग. सेकेंड आफ्टरनून, AFTERNOON, आफ्टरनून. And third one is evening, EVENING, evening. So dear kids, there are total 3 parts in a day: morning, afternoon and evening. And our last question is why do we need a calendar? हमें कैलेंडर की नीड यानी ज़रूरत क्यों होती है बताइए. आप सबके घर में कैलेंडर होगा. यस, ऑल हैव कैलेंडर. अब nowadays in a mobile also we have the calendar. And when we want, then we see, open the mobile and see the calendar. Okay, how's the calendar, what's the calendar tell us? हमें कैलेंडर क्या बताता है कि हमें उसकी ज़रूरत होती है बताइए. बेटा डेट्स के बारे में, डेज़ के बारे में और आपके मंथ्स के बारे में बताता है. आपके कोई इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स होते हैं, कोई इम्पोर्टेंट फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं हमारे, उनके बारे में भी कैलेंडर में लिखा होता है पूरा. ठीक है, तिथि वगैरह जो होती है ना, तिथि वगैरह, उनके बारे में भी लिखा होता है. जैसे कि आज 11 है, इस तरह की जो तिथि होती है उनके बारे में लिखा होता है. अभी कोई भी फेस्टिवल जो हमारे अभी नॉवी डेज इज़ अ फेस्टिवल डेज. सो दिवाली इज़ अ कमिंग, दिवाली विल बी कम. सो जो कैलेंडर होता है वो हमें बताएगा कि कब धनतेरस है, कब छोटी दिवाली है, कब बड़ी दिवाली है. तो इस तरह के जो इम्पोर्टेंट फेस्टिवल्स या इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स होते हैं वो भी कैलेंडर में मेंशन होते हैं. मंथ्स मेंशन होते हैं, डेज मेंशन होते हैं, डेट मेंशन होते हैं. So what's the answer for this question? Why do we need a calendar? We need a calendar to remember days, dates and events. हमें कैलेंडर की ज़रूरत होती है किसके लिए? डेट्स को और इवेंट्स को याद रखने के लिए. ओके, तो सीधा आंसर, we need a calendar to remember. रिमेंबर यानी बेटा याद रखना. We need a calendar to remember dates, days and events. Okay, what's the answer? Repeat again. We need a calendar to remember dates, date and events. So my dear kids, these are the 4 question answer. You will be write these all question answer in your notebook. Okay, and learn these all answers. Okay, so dear kids, this is today's our topic. Time is completed. Okay, I hope so you understood this topic very well. Okay beta, so thank you, bye bye. Okay, bye beta.